It's the 11th, and it's a beautiful Saturday. And just wanted to fill you in what's been happening. Say hello, Andreas.
Hi, everybody.
There you go. And over here, make it pretty, is Kyra. And I'm sitting here behind the camera. Just want to show you what we're doing. This got a lot done on this today. You can see the design work for the continuation of the skirts on the back of the Beast. A lot has been done on it. Why don't you open the doors up and show them what we've done on this right here.
Final on
all the final,
fins.
all of your
Fins.
pieces on here, and this is
Final
all
weather
set.
strip.
All the weather strip and everything. This is all ready to go now. Just a few little minor things to
This is
do.
a mock-up for the edge.
Mock up on our body right here, and that's what's all going to be making that tomorrow. And just walk along and show you. This is it's really coming along. Andres has got all the mechanical ends of it done. We would have finished it, but we started on the tail. John Maddox was here, our wood guru. And anyhow, everything's coming along well. This is our battery box. It's all set. And our toolbox, that's all set. Everything is going along very well. And wait until you see everything finished. It's going to knock you out. It's going to be really good. Had some really good news. A dear friend of mine, Lisa Shaw, did a great favor. I mentioned that we were going to Monterey again, even though there's nothing going on. We're going to be there the 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. So we get there Tuesday afternoon, and then we spend the next 3 days just cruising. Found out that from a friend of mine, the real estate guy in Monterey, that Carmel is absolutely rocking and rolling now, and they've got 24 restaurants that are serving outside and have liquor license, had the extended liquor license made. So that place is buzzing. So we're going to be there, and I think a whole hell of a lot of people are going to be there. So come on and say hello and visit us in Carmel. She, by the way, gave us her home to use, which is absolutely fantastic. It's a beautiful home right in Carmel, 3 bedrooms, etc., 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 and a great place to park the Beast that we're going to take. We think we're going to take Rusty 1 this time. 1 or 2. We'll know when we light them up, and we'll see. Anyway, just wanted to fill you in, and you can again see the beauty of everything that we're doing. See ya.